I know it's hard to believe, but this house for sale in Keizer has 6 bedrooms in it. Where are they all hiding? I want to show you. But first, let me show you this hydrangea. Apparently, if you play with the soil's acidity level, you can change its flower colors to blue, purple, pink, or even red. These are the random things I learned from my wife. I also learned that our trash hasn't been taken out yet, and today is trash day. My wife is a wealth of information, I gotta tell you. We kind of blew right past the living room, but I wanted to tell you that what you saw is called a sunken living room. It's sunken because it has a step down to it. Why? I don't know. Maybe back in the day they thought it added character. Do you all like it? The kitchen is quite spacious with an island and a nice undermount sink. I always like those for easier cleanup. When you've had one, you know what I mean. Alright, you all will need to pay attention now because this part of the house is a bit of a maze. Here we get to what I guess is a family room, probably because you can cozy up to a fireplace. And if you were keeping track, this is the second sliding door to the backyard. And now we get to the first of the bedrooms. And they're very interesting. I think this whole section must have been an add-on, because this place does have central AC and heat, but as you saw, they also have dedicated units in these rooms. And these two rooms are almost mirrors of each other. Except this one is better because it has a wet bar and a mini fridge for your beers. And then this is the bathroom for these bedrooms, I'm guessing. Fairly newer looking bathroom too, but still not tied into the central AC and heat. This house also has something I've never seen before at this price range. 2 doors into the garage. Okay, 3 doors if you count the door leading outside too. Okay, if you really want to be pedantic about it, fine. There are 2 big garage doors too, so you have a total of 5 doors. This is the most emergency friendly garage I've ever seen. And then finally, here's the other bathroom on this level. Now, if you were paying attention, this was the family room. And now we go upstairs to see the other bedrooms. Because remember, I said there were 6 of them. This is clearly the primary. It's actually really decent sized, with a walk-in closet too. It is a bit strange, but as you saw, every other bathroom in this house was remodeled, except this one. I wonder why they shortchanged themselves, or stopped here. Sometimes it would be really cool to find out the backstory on these places. So anyway, a nice oversized primary. This house is over 2,600 square feet, so it can afford to be oversized in some areas. And it really is a pretty cool house, in a nice area of Keizer. You just have a lot of rooms to fill. Maybe you have a large family, or you have relatives move in with you, like in-laws, or just maybe rent out the rooms. I don't know. But you don't find homes with this many rooms that often. Anyway, if you want to see this home or any other home for sale out there in person, send me a message and let's go. As always, good luck on your property search.